I grabbed this board from the unfinished section in Michael's. I want to say it was about $4.99. And it was meant for a wall hanging. And it had all these little hangers in it, so you could put it on the wall any way you would like, I would assume. So I'm pulling them all off. I'm grabbing some gloves and some General Finishes gel stain and antique walnut. And with a Gen foam brush that you can find at most True Values, I'm applying the stain. And then once applied, I'm removing it with a paper towel. I found these jars at Dollar Tree, and this roll of fabric I found at Walmart on clearance. It was actually Christmas material, but I liked it because it had a lot of this plaid in it. So I took the strip of fabric and folded it in half and glued it with a hot glue gun. And now I'm wrapping it around the rim. Now the fabric was cut with pinking shears, so it had a nice finished look, so I decided to cut my end with my pinking shears as well, which is a pair of scissors that has a jagged tooth-like blade. Now guys, the fabric is making this definitely a farmhouse look. You can choose any fabric you want, and you can give it the look that you want for your home decor. So let me know what ribbon you would, what type of material you would use. For example, you could use more of a Victorian floral print if you wanted to. I did this to all 4 jars. Once done, I took some jute and wrapped it around the top and just tied a knot and clipped the ends to give it a bow look, but didn't make a bow. I just made a knot and made my ends just a little, the tail of the knot just a little longer, like this. Guys, you can use any ribbon you want. You do not have to use jute. Then I grabbed my piece of wood, and now it's a tray, and I placed my jars evenly on this tray. You may want to use a ruler just to make sure they're evenly placed. Then I took my glue gun and I glued each jar to the tray. I found this garland at Michael's. It says $12.99, but I got it for 40% off. I believe I paid $6.50 for it. It may have been 50% off. And it was the perfect length. I didn't have to cut it or anything. I just wrapped it in and out and just glued it in random places to hold it down. And this has a lavender flower to it. Michael's did have other colors, other flowers. Let me know which one you chose. Guys, always show your pictures if you go and do these projects. And then I just went and got some votives and put them inside the little battery ones. And there you go. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go check us out on YouTube. And for all your paint needs, chalkitupfancy.com.